Today we want to talk a little bit about our peroxide cleaners. Many of you are familiar with them, but we want to really tell you about some tricks and some applications for this product. First of all, we ship the peroxide products in gallon containers. It saves us on hazmat shipping cost when we do small quantities. We have a 7%, which is the basic YCS cleaner, and we have the Pro Cleaner, which is used typically for mold remediation, cleanups, those types of things. They're good for any organic material. We can clean docks with it, you can clean concrete surfaces, canvas surfaces, and it won't bleach anything out, but cleans them very effectively. One of the new features of this product is we now have a 12-ounce activator per gallon. So you're going to mix 12 ounces of the activator per gallon to get the most efficient effect of the product. Again, we ship them in 4-gallon cases. We'll ship pallets, 36-case pallets, or we'll ship 4 gallons at a time. We pair this product typically with our Benefect products, which a lot of you are familiar with. They're a botanical mold treatment for us. We use it as an antiseptic. So give us a call. We have the Benefect and we have the new Pro Cleaners from your Crawlspace.